Ramp racers.
To start, press the play button. Is there one player or two players? Two players. One player will help Elmo, and the other player will help Rosita. Elmo and Rosita want to race our ping-pong ball.
Sissy, but there's a problem. We don't have a racetrack.
What do we say when we have a problem?
I wonder.
What if?
Let's try.
Elmo wonders how we can make a racetrack.
What if we use things we find around the house?
Let's try. Player 1. Elmo and Rosita made 3 stacks of books. Let's use the objects to connect them and make a ramp. Use these items to make the ramp. Squishy foam. Smooth rule click-on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Elmo wonders why the ball didn't make it across the finish line. What if we add another piece? Let's try. Smooth tray.
Player 2. My turn. Choose some items to make a ramp. Smooth wooden board. Rough scrub. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. I think we might need to add another piece to the ramp. Smooth cardboard tube. Oh, we did it! Now let's get ready to race.
Race time! Let's see whose ball crosses the finish line first. Click on the Go button to start the race.